Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I was just going to feed horses today, and I was going to take the white team out, but we got wind warnings today, and it's supposed to get, I can't remember what it is, it's supposed to get pretty windy, so I'll see how it goes. I'm just going to give these guys some breakfast, and I'll show you the new horse we got here. Yeah, I know. I'm going to feed these guys in here just so if I do go for take them out, I can get them caught here. And these guys have been a little bit there. These guys here have always been a little leery about being touched when they're out here. There. You're on the other side of that fence, too. So, but anyway, I better get these other girls fed over here. They've been doing really well. Take these guys a couple of flakes. And then, what is it for them? Tonight they'll get 2 more. Get in there. Get in there. Oop, that's hard on the mic. So I'll try and go. Yeah, I'll spread them out a little ways here. That new horse. There's Waylon, Willie. Waylon's pretty good. He sometimes lets me pet him when he's in here. Here. Not today. Bonnie always does. Yeah. This Jack, I can't remember his name, Monty or Monty or something, but how are you doing? He's fitting in good. I mean, they have their little things, but Heavy Horses does. I had him in this pen yesterday, and they were doing pretty good over the fence, and then I put them in here, and they've just done great. He's pretty good with other horses. If he had a ran, these guys would have chased him all over the place, but he wouldn't run. He just kind of stood his ground, and they kind of did their thing, and that was it. So I'm glad that turned out good. Yeah, so anyway, that's it. Got the horses fed. I should have put a little warning on at the beginning of this video of how exciting it was going to be. Give you guys some warnings. Pretty exciting stuff. Yeah, at this rate, I'll hit my 300 mark well before 1st of August. But anyway, I'm going to head into the shop and do a little more work on my cart. I won't bore you with that, but if it doesn't get too windy, which is starting to pick up here, I will take that white team out here in a bit. We'll get some video on that. Hey guys, so anyway, Yeah, it's not looking good for taking this Teams out here. I'll show you. See, this here is I could clean this up a bit, but and I did clean this up. I got a thing for my skid steer there, and it's not really meant for this, but I scraped this up, and this is pretty good here, but when you get around the corner, it's really bad. You can see there's still ice everywhere, but there's really nowhere to go except for here, and then down to the pavement there. On the other side of the road, it's a sheet of ice. I could go down the highway, but I don't want to go down there corked up, so I'm trying to get out of here barefoot, and I don't think I'm gonna make it. This ain't too bad here, like I said, but around the corner, it's just not worth it. It's not worth it at all. But anyway, I'll show you what I got going on here. So this is where I am with this. I got this standard metal on. This here I put up top. This here I put down below, just so if I want to carry something, I've got a place to kind of put it, I guess. And then these fenders, I'll show you this one over here. They were too big for starters, and I cut probably 4 inches off of those already. This one isn't done yet. And then what I did, this one here, this is as good as it's gonna get. I just cut little notches out of them, brought it together, welded them up. You can kind of see there, just to round them off a little bit. So all I've got left, I gotta do that other fender, and then I'm gonna have some pieces coming up in here about this high, whatever, on the front. Some cross pieces, and then I'll get that seat done. But anyway, like I said, I wasn't gonna bore you with that, but I can't get those horses out, so I'm gonna get some lunch, come back and putter away at this here. But thanks for watching, guys. You guys have a good one.